Look at me with a slightly different angle. Ooh, who is she? She's the same room, just about 5 feet back. If you're wondering why I'm awkwardly holding this candle, it's because I just put it out. Like I just put a lid on it. It's a little warm, and I'm a little afraid. I also have a little puppy dog right here. Yep, see? So that's my justification of the awkwardness, I suppose. It's really just my brand now, right, Isabella? I am fully embracing the basic white girl. Happy youtober day, insert number here. I'm filming this in September, so I'm not totally sure what youtober day it is. Yes, so I'm doing a candle haul. I have purchased many candles since Bath & Body Works released their fall candles for this year, and I'm making a video about it. I hope this isn't weird. I hope this is interesting to some people. I know Bath & Body Works candles are not like the highest quality. I know they're not the best for you, but look at me. Do I really care about my well-being? Whoa, that got dark. Okay, so these smell pretty. I bought them. Judge me. Go for it. I also honorable mention to my essential oils so that people don't get too mad at me, although then people might get mad at me for using essential oils. I really like the Thieves oil from Young Living as well as Christmas Spirit. The first candle is pumpkin apple. It smells like pumpkins and apples. Next, no, I'm kidding. It does smell like pumpkin and apple. It's got like some cinnamon in there, maybe some vanilla. It says it's made with essential oils. Who knows? I like these little candles for in this room in my office, so that it's not too overwhelming. I like the big candles out in the apartment or in our bedroom, rooms that are a lot bigger. But I find that this size, like the scent throw, is actually really good in here. So I think these are appropriate. These I got on sale for like $8 each, which, you know, it's more expensive than a Target candle, but not too bad. So pumpkin apple, that's what I'm burning right now in here. And by burning, I mean was burning. Let me put this back. Okay, bye. Okay, I'm gonna talk about the other two candles that I have been burning. Leaves. This is the classic packaging. Yeah, there you go. It does not smell like leaves. It smells like Bath & Body Works leaves, but it doesn't smell like falling leaves, okay? I live in Texas. That's not gonna happen for another 2 months, all right? But, oh, this is my favorite scent of all time. Like, I just, so many memories. I think I am a little bit nostalgic with the scent. Fun fact, one of my first jobs was working at Bath & Body Works, and for some reason they made me a home fragrance specialist. That's a direct quote. They told me it was a promotion. I didn't get more hours and I didn't get more money. I don't know, it was super weird. Anyways, so I got to know their candles pretty well, and that was, I think, the first year that Leaves came out. Had to have been 2007. Fact check me on that. This came out, and you know, if you've ever worked retail, you have like zones that you work, and I was in zone 1, which is at the front of the store with the new products to like greet people, but also be like, hey, smell this, right? That was my job. And this is what I had. We had this, and I think autumn, and I think cinnamon and clove bud, and that had been around for a while, but this one and I think autumn were the new ones. And you know, on weekdays when no one was coming in and I just had to stand in my spot, I had nothing to do except pretend like I was facing the product, doing this for about 3 hours, and smell the product. And I fell in love with this. And it's cinnamony and appley. I don't know, dude. It's just spicy and sweet. And if you like cider scents, if you like cinnamon scents and apple scents, and you haven't smelled this, I don't understand. Smell this. It's absolutely amazing. Every year I get it in like the car scent, and I get it in candles, and I get it in room sprays. And I think by far it smells best in the candles, but I just have it everywhere. And it just reminds me of like back to school, of being productive, of being cozy, homey, happy. It smells like comfort. I'm so nostalgic with this scent. When it goes away in like November, I get sad. So yeah, but I don't want to burn it any other time of the year. Like, I don't want to buy a million of them. Why am I still talking about this? Hey, it has notes. Okay, crisp red apple, golden nectar, warm clove spice with essential oils. And these are soy blend waxes, lead-free wicks, and they burn for approximately 25 to 45 hours. I don't know if the smaller ones tell you. Oh, they do too. That's amazing. Huh. Okay, I don't know how, but these say that they also blend for 25 to 45 hours. Now I'm confused. Okay, how many ounces? Okay, but how? This is literally half the amount of product as this. I don't understand. Bath and Body Works, explain yourself. Okay, so leaves, it's my favorite. I have another one. I won't talk as long about that one. Next up we have mahogany, nope. The Perfect Autumn, which this is different from autumn. This is the Perfect Autumn. I got this one free when I did my last candle purchase. They were just saying like, if you buy 2 candles that were already half off, then you could get a free candle too. And I think they gave $10 off 30. I don't know, it was a great deal. So I did that. This is the Perfect Autumn. The notes are fresh cranberry, spiced pumpkin, crisp apple, rich clove, and essential oils. Which, I didn't smell the pumpkin. It's hard because I've already burned this one, so it smells, you know, like burning. I definitely get the apple and the cinnamon, and I think the cranberry. I don't really smell much pumpkin. So, I'm really surprised to see that. Like, I could kind of see it, but like I would have never known unless I read that. Yeah, so this one, husband started burning it actually in our bedroom. So then that's where this one is right now, in case you're wondering. Okay, next, this is flannel. I really like this Luminaria packaging that they have, so that when you burn it, this part where the leaves are is actually clear, and so it, like, you know, Luminaria. I don't know, this smells blue to me, which is not helpful to anybody else. It smells clean, crisp. Okay, have you smelled their like clean linen scent? It's that with like cologne. It smells so good. It says fresh bergamot, heirloom mahogany, soft musk with essential oils. So that's it's like a man candle, but not. Like, it's very unisex. I love it. Husband is not crazy about this one, which is surprising to me. Like, he thinks it's all right, but man candle. Speaking of man candle, next up we have mahogany teakwood, which husband did pick out, which was surprising to me. This is, it kind of reminds me of like Abercrombie back in the day, like Abercrombie or Hollister, one of those stores. It's like a little bit smoky, musky. Maybe like a citrus in there too. What does it say? Rich mahogany. My apartment smells of rich mahogany. I have many leather-bound books. Rich mahogany, black teakwood, dark oak, frosted lavender. I see it now. Yeah, okay, I don't know what these woods smell like. I don't know why they would smell like this, but all right. It smells great. This is their classic White Barn packaging. It's not actually black. It's kind of a gray color. I like it. Super classy. I even wouldn't mind taking off this label. It's like kind of printed and embossed, but it's a sticker for sure. But I think it'd be really pretty just to have this. Look, how sleek is that? That's just sleek. That's pretty. But yeah, this is a great man candle, boyfriend candle. It's been a classic for a couple years now. This is Leaves. Again, oh, so good. This is the Luminaria packaging again. Soup's pretty. And the wax is white. The wax on this used to be brown. Oh no, this one is brown. Yeah. One of the Leaves packaging that they came out with, because I think they came out 3 or 4 this year. That's fine. One of the packaging, it doesn't smell right. It doesn't smell like leaves. It smells like plastic apples. So just get this one and the classic packaging. Don't do like the White Barn one. So good. Forever favorite. I'm probably gonna buy like 2 more of those before they go. Next up we have Sweater Weather. Look how cute this little bear is. That's so cute. Oh, it's not a bear, it's a little raccoon wearing a sweater. Oh, so cute. So cute. I like this on it. You could probably reuse these jars. Maybe I'll try and do that. It's comparable to flannel. Maybe more citrusy. Maybe more floral. It says sage, juniper berry, and eucalyptus. Yeah. Yeah. It's kind of woodsy but fruity, but not overly fruity. Like you wouldn't smell it and be like, that's a fruity scent. It's just like undernotes. The major notes are just like woodiness, like pine. Next up we have Autumn. So this is not the same as this one, as Perfect Autumn. So this one is red gala apple, gala apple, that sounds right, juicy fig, and eucalyptus. And then this one is Perfect Autumn, which is cranberry, pumpkin, apple, clove. So this one, I think I like Perfect Autumn better. I'm going nose blind. Okay, I definitely smell the apple. What else is in this? Fig and eucalyptus. I just smell apple. I don't really smell the fig or the eucalyptus. Like it smells like apple, but it smells like a little bit deeper than just an apple. So I like it. I think it's probably the least favorite of all the ones I've gotten. Packaging is precious though. So fresh. Look at that little fox. Looks like Pimpin. I love it. Okay, and then last but not least, I think this one is probably the most basic of all of them. It's not my favorite. I'm not one for, I should tell you what it is. It's pumpkin cupcake. I'm not a fan of like bakery scented candles, but this one's nice. It definitely has that vanilla scent with the pumpkin. Maybe some clove. It's spicier than most food scents, which is what I like. This is one that I think husband picked out. Whipped buttercream, yeah, vanilla, pumpkin spice, freshly baked cupcakes. It's nice. It makes me want a cupcake real bad, which is part of why I don't like food scented candles. I like it a lot. honorable mention, we didn't get this one, but we almost did. They have one that's like a hot cocoa, but it's not their normal hot cocoa. Maybe it's like a pumpkin cocoa. Husband was torn between that one and the mahogany teakwood because I wanted him to get like a candle that he really wanted. You know, I want him to feel involved in our scents. And he picked mahogany, which was okay. But I really like that one. I think it'd be a good kitchen scent. I don't have it with me, so I can't tell you the notes. But I will try and link it down below. I will link Bath and Body Works down below, but I'm not gonna try and link the actual candles because their website is kind of annoying, I'm not gonna lie. But go into a Bath and Body Works and just sniff your little heart out. I hope this was somewhat entertaining. Maybe this made you want to buy a candle. Maybe it made you want to burn a candle. I don't know. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you like seeing my face. I hope you're not sick of me yet. I'm not sick of you. Yeah, so subscribe, hit that bell. I'm in youtober, which means that I'm posting a video every day for the month of October. I hope that's going well for me. Past Emily is a little worried for your future Emily, your current Emily, my future Emily. But yeah, follow me on social media. It's at Emily Funbun everywhere. Yeah, I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye guys.